The smallholders are those people who own land less than 40.5 hectares. Above that, they are not smallholders, so we don't take care of them. That is taken care by the estate. There are about 240,000 smallholders dealing with our palm. You just multiply 240,000. You multiply by families, maybe 4 or 5. About 1-2 million depend on our palm. And our palm is very lucrative, and they really depend on it. Now, if anything happens to our palm, the people will suffer because of the income. They really depend on our palm. Because on palm, compared to rubber, the income is double. So the only thing when you talk about smallholders for palm, they got a lot of problems because first thing, the technology, they are new to that, and then the workers, but 1970, it just made our country was about 49.3% poverty in 1970. But now, 2007, it's come down to 5.6%, and now it's 2%. We want smallholders to be involved in downstream because there is the money. So forever we have just become but we get ahead of the government. That one need a very drastic policy. Smallholders must be in the downstream. Compared to other countries, we have more forests now, 51%. If America talk about deforestation, I think they are worse. I don't know. But we have 51%. What's wrong using palm oil? So they should create market to help the people in the whole world. For example, we depend this one 44%. And if this is being taken away from the market, what is the alternative? Go back to rubber. Rubber is better.